Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, check out my ebook, www.themanwhoselfsonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Alright, right to it, guys. Now, I'm 40 years old and I'm at that age to where all of my football injuries are starting to catch up with me. I still try to be active. I go to the gym a lot. When I review different items, sometimes I bring them to the gym. But in the wintertime, when there's a cold front, the pressure changes or whatever, it feels like arthritis, the preset of arthritis is trying to set in, and I get a little aches every now and then. So to rectify that, I want to show you guys exactly what I do to keep active and how to get rid of pesky knee pains, back pains, joint pains, all kind of pains, guys, to give you some temporary relief where you don't have to put chemicals into your body. Let's jump right into it. But before that, a word from our sponsor.
No Fear TV allows you thousands of channels at your fingertips. No Fear TV allows 24-hour trials only for $1, or you can purchase a month only for $20. $20 would allow you to have 3 connections. Your IP is 9 locked, which means you can bring it anywhere. High quality channels. You can download it on the NVIDIA Share Android box. They have a web player for your computer. You can even use it on a tablet. No Fear TV give you specific instructions, make it easy for you to download it. Go right to the download page and they walk you step by step. You can even find it on the Google Play Store. No Fear TV, guys, $20 a month and 3 lines. You can't beat it. The support staff is waiting for you. Okay, let's have a look at the 3-in-1 combo electrotherapy. Now again, this is absolutely excellent. I think they put a lot of thought into it. This 3-in-1 combo electrotherapy is made to be portable, so you can be very mobile with this device. Inside of the device, you're gonna find a traveling case. You're gonna find your electrodes and your probes. You're gonna have this quick starter magazine. Excellent illustrations up in here. Really help you get it started right out the box. And for more detailed information, they have a manual. The device itself feels pretty good in the hand. Very nice big buttons. Make it feel really tactile, so you know that you're pressing the correct mode and program. You have your channel 1 and your channel 2. The battery goes in the back. I think we have everything we need to know about this device. Let's go ahead in the bathroom and see how it works. Alright, the first thing we want to do is familiarize ourselves with the programming buttons. How to get where, how to do what. Again, you can switch it between different modes and different programs and different intensity. Alright, now that we are familiarized, we're ready to begin the demonstration.
Now the great thing about this combo stimulator is that it offers you an array of things. Let me go ahead and get the manual and tell you guys some of the things that you can use it for to make sure that I'm giving you guys the proper information. It's always good to read your user manual. So the tense mode is to relieve temporary pain associated with sore and aching muscles. The ESM mode is to stimulate healthy muscles in order for them to improve the muscles. So like if you want to go work out, might be good that you use that muscle group that you'll be working that day. And the massage mode, of course, is just to relax. Now today we're going to be using the tense mode to kind of get into that aching joint and kind of relieve some of that pain. So let me show you real time how it works. Where I already unboxed it, you simply just go ahead and put these electro pads on. It have a red and a black one, but it doesn't say if you have to connect it a certain way. So I just went ahead and just chose to just put it on any kind of way. As long as you have it secure, nothing is exposed, you should be good to go. And then you take the other end and you see you have channel 1, channel 2. You can put it in either or. All right, so I'm just going to stick this in channel 1. I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to use my mode buttons to put it into the tense mode. And then I'm going to use the B button to go ahead and tell it which muscle group I'm working. So let's go ahead and do that.
Alright, so here we have my knee right here, and it's been aching a little bit, so I have everything connected. So I want to go ahead and take this off. You want to keep up with this because you want to put your electro pads back on. That way you can preserve your little gels that's on your pads. So keep up with that. I want to go ahead and I want to put the pads exactly where the pain is at. Different spots where I want to stimulate it. And then I want to come right here to my device and see if I can get the glare off there. And right now it's on the massage mode, so I want to go ahead and put it on the tense mode. All right, so there we go, TENS. We have it in there. I have it on the mode. Now I want to use the B button to select the part of the body. And it's on shoulder, back, arm, hip, leg, and joint. So I want to go to select it and get it to delayed. And I know you guys probably can't see that, but there it is right there on delayed. All right, and then I just want to go ahead and I want to start it. All right, select my programming mode and then let it begin. Now the great thing about it is I have it on level 5 right here, and I could increase it. I can feel like a little tingling sensation. I want to increase my levels. All right, so I'm level 7. Let's see if I can get it to make that muscle really work. 8, 9, 10. I'm really feeling it right now. 11. It's really just like a steady sensation. Now it's pulsating. 12. And so right now what it's doing is pulsating, and then it really just give it to me, guys. I mean, a real nice little shock. It's not a shock that's hurting or discomfort, but I really feel those electric waves going into that tissue. And 12 is the highest I can go. Now I also can change the programming mode, but I really feel it. I don't know if you guys can see on the side right here, but it seems like this muscle trying to come to life, so I can tell this muscle is being stimulated. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let this run its course for the 28 minutes that I have remaining, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys exactly if it did its job or not. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can tell, pretty easy, simple, right out the box. There is some reading if you want to get into the detail of how to program it, how to save your sessions. Yes, there is a feature where you can record the session that you have done and just play with the intensity. I have to say, after that amount of time, my knees feeling really good. It's been about 2 weeks since I've been able to jog, just simply because of the dull aching pain inside of that joint, and I'm feeling a lot of comfort and relief. Now, how long it's going to last, I don't know. But the great thing about it is that this is portable. I can bring it with me. And it beats shoving pills down my throat all day, popping ibuprofen and stuff like that, just to try to get some relief. I can go ahead and I can use this chemical-free to get some relief. Or in worst case scenario, I can combine the two. I can use some medication to relieve the pain and also use this to alleviate the pain. That way, I'm lessening the amount of medication I'm taking today. As I said, I'm getting older on this channel. As I learn, I share, and I want you guys to live your best life, to be the best person you can, whether that be saving money, starting your own business, or being healthy. It's your boy Taking a Bath. As always, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys, love you. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.